Okay, y'all. So that was the first section. So now we're gonna be on to section number 2. I'm tired. Okay, section number 2. Let's get it. So one thing that I failed to mention is that this tree is almost 10 feet tall. It's like 9.5 feet tall, y'all. At this point, I'm sleepy and my eyes are getting heavy. So I'm gonna take a coffee break and then continue. But I'm loving the way it looks so far. Ooh, it's not clear. It's not in focus. Ooh, but my makeup is popping. But yeah, I'm liking the way it looks. When it gets in focus, y'all will really be able to see how luxe and juicy jet black the tree looks. But I'm taking a coffee break because pulling that stuff out of the tree is no joke. Let's get some coffee. Yeah, y'all. So I literally had to move the camera to back behind the sofa because y'all wouldn't even been able to see the tree going up. That's how big and tall this tree is. And it's real wide. That space, I don't know if you can tell how big, but that space is so big. But that's what I wanted, so I'm not complaining. But it's like 11:30 at night, so. So the coffee that I'm drinking is the McDonald's medium roast. And I've been using my Keurig a lot lately, and I was using the Dunkin' Donuts little Keurig pops, but now I'm on the McDonald's medium roast, which I like way better. It smells better. The taste is just a better tasting coffee. And I've been experimenting with creamers, and I like iced coffee. I'm on iced coffee right now. I switch addictions every couple of months, and so now I'm on iced coffee. I'm gonna show y'all on one of the next videos how I like to make my coffee. I'm real specific with it, and it takes time to make the way I make my iced coffee. But I'm experimenting with different creamers, and y'all know around the holidays they have like specialty creamers and stuff, but they don't be good all the time. So yeah, we're gonna experiment with that pretty soon. I'll show y'all how I make my iced coffee. Okay, y'all, so at this point I had to pull the camera all the way back to the kitchen. That's how big this tree is. I had to pull the camera all the way back to the kitchen and bring a ladder to get the top tier put on the tree. So this is the last section that's gonna go on the tree. I really need to back up a little bit more, but this is gonna be the last section on the tree, and then I think I'm gonna work on the ribbon. Y'all, I'm gonna put ribbon on this tree. But all my trees, I put ribbon on it, and it looks so amazing. You never really see people put ribbon on trees. They do it, but that's like something you see on the internet, not really. I'm that internet person is what I'm trying to say. But I'm on the last section. I'm happy about that, and then I'm gonna work on getting the ribbon laid exactly the way I want it laid. I'm gonna work on it like 60 seconds. That camera is badass. See, we had to just use I think I like it a lot. I actually really like it, but I lied. I'm definitely not gonna do the ribbon and the ornaments tonight. I'm sleepy. I'm dirty. I've been having this makeup on since 8:30 this morning. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, so I'm back. It's 3 days later. It's literally, I'm looking up here, I need to be looking down here, but I wanna make sure I'm in focus, so yeah, it is 3 days later and the tree is still not, decorated. I was tired, I was showing houses. I was getting my real estate gang on. So anyway, I'm back. I think we're gonna start with the ribbon, draping the ribbon and trying to figure out how I want the ribbon to look, and then we'll get on the ornaments. So let go. Okay y'all, so I have this silver shiny ribbon, super shiny silver ribbon. How the heck did they do this? So I'm already sick of it. Just FYI, this is not as easy as it looks. The picture that I got is like loop-de-loops and it just doesn't. I'm gonna let's play with it. Okay, so I don't have what I need. So ornament hooks. I don't have ornament hooks, and the ornament hooks is what I also need for the ribbon, to like get the ribbon to stay how it needs to be, which I'm gonna have to go a whole different route with that as well. So I'm gonna take a trip to, well, we're gonna take a trip to At Home and try to get what we need. It is like 9:30 p.m. I think they close at 11, so we're gonna hurry up and try to go. Okay, y'all, so we are in this thing. Yeah, so let's go to At Home. It's so late. It's so late, y'all. But let's get these hooks because I want to get it. It's 3 days later. I'm ready to just, you know how you just ready to get it over with and done with and just get the tree done. So this is the point that I'm at. So let's get to this At Home. Okay, y'all. So good thing it's not that many people here at all. It's like 10 cars in the whole parking lot. So that's a good thing. Like 10 cars, that's like a really good thing actually. So we're gonna go in here and take a look around in the shelves, just get some hooks. They don't have any hooks in the whole store. They are sold out in the whole store. So I'm about to go back home and try to figure it out, or we might have to start again tomorrow. Womp womp. So in the meantime, we can look around just a little bit more, because maybe we'll see something else. But as of now, the hooks for the ornaments is the no-go. They don't have it. That sucks though. That really sucks, because they have so many. Y'all saw all those ornaments they had in here. So why would you have that many ornaments and no hooks? Honestly and truly. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Look, y'all. Oh my gosh. How beautiful. Okay, y'all, so I came to Target. Even though I said I was gonna go home, I said let me stop at Target so the night won't be a complete bust. So we'll see if Target has it. I really, really hope so. I feel like all this work, that tree better be bomb, 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 bomb. I think it's gonna come out good though. I really, really, ooh, they got some pretty stuff in here. With me and sticking my tongue out, that's weird. Anyways, do you guys see it? I know you see it. Okay, the Christmas tree is done. So it's now 2 more days later. 2 more days later. Y'all, it's been tough finding the hooks, finding just getting. Anyways, it's 2 days later, and I just said, you know what? If I don't go and decorate this tree now, it's not gonna get done. So the streamers and how I wanted the ribbon to hang and everything, it was so much work. Maybe next year, okay? Okay, but look, I made some pretty bows and put the bows up there and put the ornaments, and I am so happy with the turnout. It looks so elegant and pretty. The tree is so huge that y'all can't see the whole thing, but y'all gonna see the whole thing. But that's it. I have like a really furry, the tree skirt is like one of those furry tree skirts, like a fuzzy furry rug. So I'm happy with the way it turned out. It looks amazing. The bows is like the focal point for me. It was a pre-lit tree, so I didn't have to drape the lights or anything on it. And yeah, that's it, y'all. I'm so looking forward to wrapping gifts, putting it under the tree. I just love the holidays and Christmas time in general. It's just a very great time for me always. Puts me in an amazing mood. I like to set the mood, listen to Christmas music, drink hot chocolate, eat marshmallows, bake cookies, like the whole 9 yards. So this is how it turned out. I'm so pleased with it. So pleased. I have a few more ornaments that I'm gonna add and let the kids add to it. Like I let them pick out ornaments too, and I like kind of like personalized. So we'll do that tomorrow, and that's it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.